remember the dog. I'm sure you remember the dog door that was really made for lizards or snakes. There it is. Told you I had an idea. Well, here's the idea. Willie has a friend that works in a trailer manufacturing place, and he brought me over 3 pieces of this. Nice and thin, nice and pliable. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cut that out and fit it right in there. Matter of fact, I've already got one fit in, but I can't show you right now. I can't walk in there right now. Vicky's got the TV blaring. But in the very next clip, I'll show you how that works. See, I just trimmed a piece off, made it fit. It will work great to keep the critters out, that's for sure. Like when we take off for the weekend and we don't want to leave that door open. Because there's cats, and worse than cats, there's skunks around here. So, that's how I'm fixing the door. Now, here's what it looks like. Okay guys, there's the dog door made for snakes. And here's the Willie fix. It ain't very thick, but all you got to do is keep the varmints out. Now this thing, see if I can do both of these at the same time. It just sits in there like that. Turn around here a bit. That slides right down in there like that. Just like so. Then I want it out, I just pull it right out. Then I store it over in the closet there. But that, you know, when we're gone on vacation, we don't want to leave that thing open, and I ain't tearing that thing apart every time we want to put a door on it. So, thanks to Willie, my idea, Willie's product. Thank you, Willie. I do have another announcement to make, if I got room on here. If not, I won't put it on here. All right, I just told Vicky I went out the back door. You notice something's missing? Yeah, we did sell the RV. So that part of our adventure is over. We got friends, Charlie Blood, coming in here in just a day. He's going to park right here with his RV and spend some time with us. Very glad to have him. But we're not done traveling. We're just going to buy a motorhome, we think. So we're going to start looking for a motorhome right now, Class C. And then we're going to be able to pull that behind the Class C with my bike in it. I'm tired of going places without my bike. So that's what we're going to do. All that will be cleaned up right there. I did trim some branches off there so we can get that shed put back in there. That's still 6 weeks out as I speak to you. We're going to still take some dead branches off all them trees. I wish the whole tree was gone because they're just trash trees. They just, every time there's a windstorm, they drop limbs. Anyway, that's all I'm going to put in this video. If I put this one in that video, who knows? Well, you ready to go in the house? It's cold out here today, Hank. Let's go. You ready?